Hello, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. Today's recipe is this crunchy, tasty and rich Nigerian buns. And without much ado, let's get started. And so to my already measured out flour, I'll be adding the baking powder, salt, sugar, and a little bit of nutmeg. The nutmeg is optional, but please add it if you can, as it enhances the taste of the buns. And then I go ahead and add my whisk egg, butter and milk and mix until combined without overmixing. Then cover and leave to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Before the time is up, I heat up some oil on medium heat. The oil should be deep enough to cover an egg so that the buns will come out with a good shape. I also do an oil test with a skewer, and these bubbles you see shows that the oil is ready for frying. So now I scoop the batter with my oiled or wet hand and drop it gently into the hot oil. You can also use a spoon or an ice cream scoop for this to get a perfect round shape. I'll now lower the heat and let the buns fry gently until the inside is properly cooked. If you don't do this, you'll end up with a buns that is cooked on the outside but still raw on the inside, and we don't want that at all. You can also check the doneness of the buns by pricking it with a skewer to see if it's cooked inside. Oh, this is so beautiful and looks so crunchy. I will taste one right now. This is really yummy, huh? Oh, this is for me, eh? Oh yeah, go and make your own. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it if you like this video. Subscribe and hit on that notification bell so that you get notified when new recipes are posted. See you in the next video. Bye bye.